Hello everyone, welcome back with a new video. Today's topic for the discussion is objectives of business. It's a topic from chapter 1, 11th business studies. Right? Let's have a look on this diagram. This topic we will discuss diagrammatically. The diagram is all about objectives of business. Objectives of business are basically divided into three categories like economic objectives, social objectives and personal objectives. Let's start with the first category, that is economic objectives. Economic objectives are related to monetary form or monetary term. Means these objectives are related with money. For example, profit, survival and growth. I repeat, profit, survival and growth are the three main objectives which comes under economic category. No doubt, profit is the main objective of each businessman. Now, if profit will be earned, only then survival will be possible in the market. Survival means to stay in the market for longer time period. I repeat, survival means to stay in the market for longer time period. So when businessman would be able to survive, when profit will be earned in a good amount or when regular profit will be earned. Next term is growth. Growth means to increase in the size of the business. To increase the size of the business is said as growth. If suppose a businessman started his business from the small scale, then gradually the business is converted into medium scale. Then from medium to it is converted into large scale. So we will say that yes, business is growing day by day. So these three terms are interrelated and considered as economic objectives of a business. Let's move to the middle portion of the diagram, that is all about social objectives. Social objectives are related to society. Means these objectives are fulfilled by the businessman for the upliftment of society. For example, good quality products. Each businessman must offer good quality of products to the customer. Only then customer will buy in future, or it means repeated buying. Repeated buying will take place if the businessman is offering good quality products. There should be no adulteration in the products. If adulteration will be, it can harm the health of the customer. So if any businessman is doing adulteration, it means they are not fulfilling their social objective. Next is fair trade practices. Fair trade practices should be there. No unfair trade practices should be there. Or there must be avoidance of unfair trade practices. Unfair means illegal, which is not in the favor of the society. For example, black marketing, hoarding of goods, adulteration in the products, fake advertisement. All this comes under unfair trade practices. So as social objective, there must be fair dealings or fair trade practices. Fine. Next is employment generation. Employment generation is also an important social objective. It means to providing jobs to the needy people or the person who is in the search of the job. They must be provided with a job by the businessman. For example, a businessman is there and he is in the need of 10 employees or workers. It means the job is provided to 10 people from the society. So it will reduce the poverty level from the economy. Employment generation is also a social objective. Next is environment protection. Yes, it is most important. There should be no any kind of pollution from the business side. Businessmen should keep in mind that environment must be protected. I repeat, environment must be protected. There should be no air pollution, noise pollution, water pollution, land pollution from the business or from the factory. Otherwise, government can take legal action against it. So this should be concern from the businessman side that they will protect the environment. Now, the third category is personal objectives. These objectives are related to employees or workers who are doing job in an organization. Like first one is good working conditions. Good working condition means a suitable workplace must be provided to the employees. Good working conditions, proper drinking facility, washroom facility, the basic requirements, whatever are there, must be provided so that they can concentrate on their task. Fine. Next is peer recognition. Peer means the colleagues. Colleagues here means the person who are working in same department, in same organization. They will be said as peer. Recognition means appreciation, praise. So the extraordinary performer must be praised in front of other employees just to motivate him or her. It is also a personal objective of businessman that if any employee is performing extraordinary, super performance, if employee is giving to the organization, then there must be praise or appreciation of that employee in front of others. Like suppose the name is displayed on the notice board of that employee who has given the extraordinary performance in a particular month or year. So this is a kind of motivation for the employee that comes under peer recognition. Next is competitive salary. Competitive salary means the salary or remuneration must be paid as per the performance of the employees, just to raise the competition level among them. If same salary will be paid to everyone, then it can be a kind of discrimination. Suppose one worker or employee is doing hard work, comparatively others are not doing. So that employee must be paid more comparatively others, just to raise or build up the competition level. It should be kept in mind by the businessman. And last one is personal growth. Personal growth means the training sessions can be arranged for the upliftment of the employees, to enhance their skills, to upgrade their knowledge. Workshops or seminars can be arranged by the businessman. It will be beneficial for both the parties, for the employees as well as for the businessman. Right? So this is all about different kind of objective of business. Primary objective is profit earning. All other objectives are secondary objectives, but businessman can't ignore the secondary objectives or other objectives. If other objectives will be given weightage, then automatically the profit will increase. Fine? Okay, this is all about objectives. The remaining topics will be discussed in next video.